Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Quicksolvers. Here I want to find the limit of this function where x approaches to 4. And the function is square root of x minus 2 over square root of 7 plus square root of x minus 3. Here we can first try replacing x by 4. Okay, if I do so, then I'll get square root of 4 minus 2 over square root of 7 plus square root of 4 minus 3. And this equals 2 minus 2 over, well, this part, this is square root of 9. 9 minus 3 is 3 minus 3, and this is 0 over 0. Okay? And this is an indeterminate form, which is not acceptable. Okay? So I should try another way, and here I will try multiply this part to its conjugate. Okay, if we have a minus b, then its conjugate is a plus b. And if we do the multiplication, we will get a squared minus b squared. So here its conjugate is 7 plus square root of x plus 3, and in numerator we have square root of 7 plus square root of x plus 3. Okay, and well, as I said, for the denominator, since we are multiplying this to its conjugate, then we will get the first expression, the first term here, this to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2, which is 7 plus square root of x minus 9. And in numerator, we would have square root of x minus 2 times square root of 7 plus square root of x plus 3. Okay. If I just simplify this part, I'll get square root of x plus 7 minus 9, which would leave us with square root of x minus 2. Okay, so I can replace this part by square root of x minus 2. And then this square root of x minus 2 and this square root of x minus 2 will cancel out each other. What is left is just this part, which is, I can write the rest here, which is square root of 7 plus square root of x plus 3. Well, I should have written it as limit of this expression when x approaches 4. So that equals this. Or I can say this equals to this. And now I can replace x by 4. Then I will get square root of 7 plus square root of 4 plus 3, which is square root of 9, because this square root of 4 is 2. Then this equals 3 plus 3, and that means the whole limit is 6. Okay, and this is the final answer.